All right, up next. Okay, I have one other find that I pulled out of the wheat cent lot, and it's this coin right here, which is a 1944 Lincoln wheat cent, and as you can tell, the obverse is pretty well worn. Okay, it's a huge stark contrast to the reverse, and I brought this coin to your attention, whether it's worth anything or not. Okay, these are coins that I find pretty frequently, not only in these wheat cent batches, but also in the standard typical pocket change stuff, Lincoln Memorial cents. These coins come up really frequently, and I owe an explanation as to what this is. Some would say, hey, Blue Ridge, I think you have a die adjustment strike where the obverse strike would be a lot weaker. Okay. And typically I'll say, okay, that sounds about right. However, die adjustment strikes are really rare. Okay. It's the beginning stages of what the mint employees do in their process to ensure that the striking pressure for the new set of dies on those mint presses are perfect. Okay, if they press too hard, you run a risk of premature die wear. Okay, that's important. If it's too light, then you're going to get really light strikes. Okay, so some of the marquee things to keep in mind with a die adjustment strike is the absence of any sort of rim. Okay, typically there won't be any, but there's a strong rim right here. So that automatically discounts a die adjustment strike. What I have here is probably something that caused post mint damage. This is certainly damage because it was created after the coin had left the mint. And, it might have been a pocket piece, or it could have been what they call a dryer coin. It's kind of a generic term where a coin gets stuck in a centrifugal kind of machine of sorts. If you could think of, a coin getting stuck and then spinning around and ensuring a lot of wear on one side of the coin. Okay, typically you'll see these circular hairlines associated with that. But a coin of this age has gone through some sort of process like that. Okay, and then going back into circulation where multiple hands would, put more wear on the coin, where those circular hairlines of a dryer coin would disappear over time. But this is a coin that it's not a die adjustment strike error. Okay, it's a coin that simply has endured a lot of wear. Okay, over time, and it really stinks when you find stuff like this. And I find them way too frequently, and it's because of that frequency that it makes this type of coin, I guess, more known to a lot of new collectors. They're probably thinking, I have something here. What is it? And if you guys are unsure, you come across something like this, or pretty similar or comparable to it, please do post it on a forum page or a Facebook group page on Errors and Coins. You will know right away, and a lot of the seasoned guys, seasoned veterans, will tell you exactly what I'm telling you right now. Okay? But anyways, that is a really worn 1944 Lincoln wheat cent pulled out of a wheat cent bag, and it's worth a discussion, to say the least, to help kind of debunk the mystery of what could possibly have been a genuine mint error. But in this case, it's just a lot of little hands rubbing on it. But anyways, thank you guys for joining in on this one. More discoveries abound in the 2000 piece Lincoln wheat bag mix. Lots of great stuff to come. Thank you guys again for joining. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell for instant notifications. And keep hunting. Keep searching. Enjoy it.